Some people say that American manufacturing is dead, that the Industrial Revolution is only found in history books, that the best days are behind us. Closed factories, jobs shipped overseas. Some people say Americans are unwilling or just not trained to do blue-collar work anymore. But what if I told you that that was not the case? What if I told you the American dream is alive and well? That there are companies willing to take a risk, to build something new, to work hard, to work smart. People willing to come together to do something big, build something special from the ground up. What if I told you one of those companies was right here in Cincinnati, Ohio? Now, what if I told you we've already begun?